friends, we are from a group of 15 whose member of me, Utomo with NPM 0, 3, and 5.
And me, Dimas Wahyan with NPM 040.
We will present our assignment regarding video dialogue positive comments.
Hi.
Hello.
Good morning.
Good morning too.
Can I sit here?
Yes, you can.
What is your name?
My name is Nugroho. You can call me Nugroho. And you? What's your name?
My name is Kristiawan. You can call me Chris. Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you too, Chris. Chris, what are carrying on your hands?
This is a vape, a type of electronic cigarettes.
Oh, electronic cigarettes. How does it work?
Need a liquid to reproduce steam.
Oh. So how long can vape last after treatment?
Maybe 2 days.
Oh, 2 days. Is that impact for your health?
I think a little.
But why you still burning it?
No problem, because this is not a need, but just a pleasure.
Oh, so what are positive impact of vaping?
Nothing, I think. Maybe it just gives pleasure when wearing it.
I think maybe better if you can stop vaping for your health.
Thank you. I think like that too.
Yeah, good luck, Chris.
Yes. That's the video of result our work. That's all from our groups. If there are mistakes, please forgive us. Thank you.